What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually at Flex's, Alex, the one with the GS, and he is sanding his car right now for paint. This is how his car looks like right now. I was never a fan of the green, but it's going to be a nice color. What's up, Flex? You ready for this paint?
A little bit, kinda.
Fucking took you how long to get this thing painted?
2 months.
2 months? Jesus.
For like a month.
So Flex was actually supposed to paint his car like a while ago, but he never got around to sanding the car down. Oh yeah. He also sanded down his son's GTR. He's actually gonna get this thing painted. I can't believe he, and he masked it off. This guy. But anyways, yeah, Ricky's gonna paint his car, I think tonight, but I just heard the news right now. But here comes Gus. All the way down there. There he is, boy. I think Hoffman's in there too. Ooh, boy. What up, y'all? Ooh. Ooh.
Hey, look, fool, look. Hoffman. I know. Shit, like.
What?
I used to drip like that too. Oh, that was not bad.
Look at his head out. Gus is standing down more of the top because Flex didn't do it. Did he even sand the top?
And the car has to, from what I know, the car
that's
is.
what I'm saying, dude. This is extra.
Yeah, this is extra.
What?
I scuffed my shit by hand with 800. And look how good it came out.
I was just doing it because he forgot to do the whole top.
You have to do all this shit. The car's like
I think it's a pretty good job already.
Yeah, this is good.
This is good already.
It's good and all, but I'm just saying, I'm doing the most. Like this shit.
Annoying.
Like,
It don't matter, I'm gonna turn my shit in like shit.
what do you mean? Look at Hoffman's shit.
prep, 20% paint. Isn't that what you said?
Okay, prep when you have body work. Fool when you're using Bondo.
No, it looks way better without the wing, dude.
Stands tight. Yay! Riser, room.
Bro, no, for real.
Tight.
For real, the GS looks way better without the wing, bro. Flex.
Yay! Tight. Yay! Tight. Tight. No gay, we all tight.
Throw it. Nah, fuck the wing. I don't want the wing. Bryce.
What are you nigga?
This fool's gonna fucking get ran over. Look, Flex is tired already.
Huh?
Me and Gus just masked the back off, so I guess we're painting here. Hey, so we're really painting here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
I'm trying to get this over with because I still gotta go to Walmart.
You make it look like we all don't have to go to
I
Walmart.
gotta get cool.
We're all gonna go to Walmart.
Look, how can be changing fucking plans?
I told you, I said I gotta go get
tape?
coolant. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go to Walmart, bro.
Okay, this nigga has to go get spark plugs. Where you got? Like,
Where you got?
like nigga, you have
grab
to go to the
something out
bank.
my
It's all
fridge,
the
please
same
finish
thing,
it.
dumbass.
Having trouble. Yeah, this is masked off pretty good too.
Grab your bumper.
This fucking GTR.
The wheels, though.
Oh yeah. GTR is gonna have better paint than my wagon. Slap you, boy. So we're getting everything ready for the paint. Ricky's just got here. The man of the hour.
Shitty fucking shit to do.
Got legit wheel covers.
I think I did.
Say what up to the vlog, Ricky.
I think I did, yeah. Flex, go check Ricky's car right now.
Say what up to the vlog, B.
Huh?
Say what up.
What's up? I'm fucking masking up a wheel that fit in here. Someone drew a fucking G on this car.
Look at this heater though.
Just one the fucking back part of it. Can you raise it right here, this middle piece?
Raise it up.
Just like tuck it in. I'll pull it through the inside.
Got it? Damn, how much were those? Those are like legit.
$15.
How much?
$15.
Each?
They're RV covers.
Oh, really?
The fucking wheels, I'm just like,
Dude, they're legit though.
what's that?
Alright, you just gotta tape that up.
Hey, Ricky. Huh? I thought I brought some tape, but I think I
Call Huffman for that.
Put all four of them on.
hung out with this tape. Little piece.
Yeah, I got you.
Ricky, where's the tape?
I thought I brought them, but I guess it's it.
I took it out and everything.
Can't, I didn't get it to the top. Everything is ready to go. Everything's covered up, masked off. Now we gotta show you guys the paint. The paint is actually pretty nice. It is stage 1 paint, but he also got a lot of clear coat, so hopefully that will make it up for how not so good the paint is, but we'll see. Alright, boy. Let's get this. Let's get this. Finally paint. Oh, cheers. Oh, hey, we also got an NRG seat. Lit. Ricky?
What happened? Disposable cups.
For what? Oh,
Instead
the
of
paint?
Like buying cups and
then cleaning them out?
Like you can just leave these and close them up and then you can throw them away.
Oh, that's
They look cool
tight.
too.
They look pretty cool, yeah.
That'd be just like a fucking plastic cup that you can't see shit.
Yeah. So you so you just use those now? Are they're pretty cheap or what?
Like $1.50 each.
Oh, that's cheap.
Or you have the filter in it too, so you won't get like any like fucking nasty shit.
Damn, there's the paint. Show them, Ricky. Woo! That shit's nuts. Did you mix it already?
Yeah.
Look at that shit. It's gonna look way better than his old green.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. That shit's nuts. Hell yeah. Gotta pop a cold one with the boys. When you don't got a bottle opener, no need for a bottle opener. Gang, shit. Cheers, boys.
Oh Jesus Christ.
You don't want to use these?
Those latex ones.
Oh, no, I don't got any latex ones.
Dude, fucking there's one company.
Mm-hmm.
For like $60 you get fucking 20 pairs of like gloves that comes like 100 of them.
Oh, man. Oh, let me drip. That's all the shit that it came with?
Yeah, this is like a thinner. Nice to paint one more thinner. There's a cycle where it's like you mix it for 15 turns. And you do 20 the other way.
Oh damn, you gotta be precise.
It's just to be like, well, that's what the guy said. He's like, it's just to be a lot better and like helps out, I guess. The good thing about this shit, it's like a little breather. So you can like paint upside down, and the paint won't like fucking, like, you know, like if you're in a cup and you're upside down. Shit's in the
Oh yeah, the air. Yeah, the air.
It sucks it in and helps out.
That's nuts. Cheap, 150.
I used to spray with a high ass fucking like air coming out. You guys spray with like really low air. It breaks the chemicals a lot better. And these suds are like hard to find at some point. Hose is a fucking bitch.
Yeah, on this, you.
Oh yeah, because your hose is way different, huh?
Yeah.
It's not that hard. This nigga.
Flex, you better hold your hose. I'm being serious. You have to lead with him.
Yeah, because that's just gonna wipe on the car. Is your door closed all the way? Is it just like that? I don't got a mask to record this. Fuck it. So this shit's gonna be nuts. Watch out for those bricks. Alright guys, now for the cinematics. So I couldn't even stand in there for like more than like 5-10 minutes because fucking I don't have a mask and that shit is strong. Especially when he's gonna be doing the clear coat. But right now Flex's paint looks fucking nice. You guys saw it in the beginning of the video how it used to look. The green paint isn't really my thing, but this purple is super nice, so it's gonna come out good. So hell yeah. That shit looks nuts, bro. Shit looks nuts. It's a nice color. Can't wait to see it during the light. I'll show you guys during the light in the morning or something. Look at that. It's nuts. It's like bluish purple. Here. Look at that shit. Shit's crazy. What? Oh, what the fuck? So Flex's car is just gonna be finished in probably a couple minutes. Fucking shout out to Ricky for painting his car, and dude, it looks super nice. And my battery is about to die right now, so I'm gonna end the video right now, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And we do have a 90s drift event this Saturday in 2 days. So we hope to see you guys there, and I will be vlogging. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys on the next vlog, which will be the 90s drift event. So yeah, and thanks for watching. Deuces.